Creating tables with HTML. Tables play a very practical role in creating functional web pages. For instance, they are used to show data in rows and columns so that data can be easily understood, numbers can be easily understood and stand out. To create layout of a web page so that you have a page divided into distinct areas well aligned, or to align images with the text on a web page. And there are many other uses. A table is created with HTML tag, also called table. So this tag table starts the table and slash table ends the table. So start the table and the table. A table has one or more rows, of course. Table has one or more rows, and within the table tag, table and the end table tag, tr starts a new row, tr starts a new row, and slash tr ends the row. A row has now columns. So a data has rows, a data table has rows, rows has columns. And within a row, within the table start and table end tags, you have a way to create a new column and end a new column by this tag td for data cell. So start a new data cell or start a new column and end the data cell or end the column. Now here is a complete example for creating a table with 2 rows and 2 columns each. You start the table tag. Within the table tag, you start a new row. Within that new row, you give 2 columns. So this is a row with 2 columns, with 2 rows and 2 columns. So the first column is California, and first row, second column is Michigan. So there you now end the row. After you have done the first row, now make a second row. Start a new row, and enter the data for the new row in terms of start a new column and give it the information that needs to go in that column, and start other second column and put in the text or anything that else has to go into that data cell, and then finally end the row. After ending the row, now we have no more rows to be added in the table, so end the table itself. So make an HTML file and put in the regular HTML structure, HTML tag, header, body, and after that put in within the body this table that we have outlined here, and save it and open the file in your browser. You will see an output which will look something like this, which essentially does show California, Michigan, Nevada, Ohio. It looks like a table, not very pretty one, but essentially a table. That's a basic HTML table. Now to make the table a little more good looking, a little more pretty, and serve its function properly, we have to style the table. Now that's another topic altogether. So we'll learn that topic in a different session.